I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking video. Read your book. Oh, no more pages. Go the other way. Watch. There. You read it to Mama?
No.
No, you can't read me that book? Killian, what sound does a cow make? What sound does a monkey make? Huh? What sound does a monkey make? That's right. What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a kitty cat make? What sound does a rooster make? You remember that one? Doodle-doo! That's right. Can you say star? Where's the stars at? Where are the stars? That's right, they're in the sky. Uh-huh. Can you say stars? No. What sound does Killian make? Yeah, you are a monkey. Can you say love you?
Hello.
Lalo. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye.